In this tutorial, we will see how to generate heterogeneity logs in Core Profile. Heterogeneity logs are a concept developed by Daniel Fitzsimmons from the Wintershall Company in Abu Dhabi, who presented his theory during the SPE in 2016. Heterogeneity logs are logs composed of reference gray values. For every slice of the core, the CT histogram is computed and only reference values are logged. The module is not yet applicable to large data files, so we will have to extract the data in memory first. This is also an opportunity to look at the Band Extractor. You just have to set the start and end depth and press the Extract Data button. Now that the data has been entirely loaded into memory, let's call the module from the Explorer workspace. By default, 5 logs will be computed from the entire range. All logs will be extracted to a single CSV file that we will load once it is filled by the module. In the Chart Properties panel, I select the log file. We have on the right the 5 different logs, one for each CT value, that I display by pressing the Display All Logs button. Then, pressing the Overlay Mode button, they are displayed in the same window. There is not yet any automatic analysis tool, but you can visually see that matching log profiles correspond to the same rock types. Also, here we have a nice example where very different heterogeneity logs denote different phases.